Welcome back to Learning with the Difference news headlines for 14th of July. And first of all, national news. PM Modi will inaugurate Bundelkhand Expressway in UP on Saturday. India slapped 4,389 crore notice on Chinese phone maker Oppo. The Supreme Court on Wednesday a petition seeking to recognize Ram Setu as a national heritage monument. The petition has been filed by BJP leader Subramanian Swamy. UN Security Council reform talks could go on for another 75 years. India logs 16,906 new COVID cases, 45 deaths in last 24 hours. The national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 98.5%. The Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan will release the National Institutional Ranking Framework on July 15, NIRF. Free COVID booster dose for all adults from Friday for the next 75 days. Supreme Court to hear pleas challenging Agnipath scheme on July 15. And now some international news. NASA's James Webb Telescope detected water along with evidence for clouds and haze on distant planet. Sri Lanka declared state of emergency as President Rajpakshe flees. US Embassy in Sri Lanka on Monday cancelled consular services for 2 days. For first time, Pope Francis named women to committee on selecting bishops. Paris, France government has suffered its first defeat in parliament after President Emmanuel Macron's ruling party lost its majority in elections last month. China said it drove away US destroyer that sailed near disputed isles. And now some sports news. India vs England second ODI, Rohit Sharma led side aims for series win, Virat Kohli doubtful. Bangladesh won the first ODI by 6 wickets. And now let's have a look on business news. €1 is equals to $1 for first time in 2 decades in brutal slump. US inflation hits new peak of 9.1% in June, fastest rise in over 40 years. Sensex reversed early gains, falls 372 points as oil prices rebound. Nifty settled below 16,000. Rupee closed on $80 rate, ends at another record low of 79.63. And now let's have a look on weather. During the next 24 hours, moderate to heavy rains are possible over Konkan and Goa, parts of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, parts of Vidarbha, Telangana and South Madhya Pradesh. Heavy rains over Gujarat continue relief next week. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.